Okay, Stereo Police. Back with an update on the P45. Had to move my location because Mrs. Police is back home. Here's the one that's still under construction. I have not proceeded to work on that one yet, but the one thing I wanted to do is do a vibration test on the one that I completed, and I'm going to be using the A1000 as the amplifier, and I'm going to be driving it with a function generator. I began with my supposed high quality audio signal generator, but at low frequencies it's outputting a noise, a tick, some kind of distortion, so it's not functioning properly. This is functioning just fine, and right now I'm gonna cut this in a minute and turn on my good microphone so you can hear it. Right now we're listening to 30 hertz. You probably can't hear it because we're listening to the camcorder mics, but you can see it. Let me turn the amplitude up some. No vibrations. Let's go down to 20 hertz. I don't want to do any mechanical damage to those woofers. I just want to give them a quick workout. And they are silent. So I'm going to roll up the frequency range here. Right now we're at 70. Hundred, 110, 120, 130, 150. 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 230, 250, 280. If you heard the amplitude go up and down, that's just the room effects. That's cancellation. Those are standing waves. So there's no vibration. Zero vibration. Nothing. Internal to the cabinet, external to the cabinet. You would expect it in the bass frequencies. You know, between 20 and 100 hertz normally, 150 hertz. Nothing. Quiet. Very quiet. And you saw that 20 hertz signal go through there, and those woofers were moving. They were silent. And of course there's no chuffing because they're sealed enclosure. But they were quiet. It's a very good test. Over here I have the ADS. Let me see if I can get this cover off with one hand. Yeah, I can. Hold on just a sec. I made a video about these years ago. I repaired the woofers. Let's roll over to these. I'm just curious. Okay, now we're listening to the ADS. These are sealed also. Hertz. We're 100 now. 80, 60, 50, 40. Wow, you don't hear nothing. We're at 38 hertz. Let me go to 40. Okay, we're at 40 hertz. Okay. Turn up the amplitude. I'm going to go down to 20. Now I'm at 20 hertz. Yeah. Okay. ADS working good. Now let me see if I can muster up some way to pop some music into this thing. I guess I'm gonna need a DAC. Maybe I'll get a CD player and a DAC. Put some CDs on. We'll get a better comparison in sound between the P45s and the ADS, I think. More fair comparison here than with the Klipsch, I think, because we have dome tweeters, and the P45 as well as the ADS, they're both sealed enclosures. And then I'll use the good mic, the Zoom H1N. Let me go figure out how I can muster up source of music. Okay, here's my setup. Source of music I'll be using is a Leak CD transport, coax digital output, into the Lab 12 DAC1 reference, and I found a CD that I like, Stereolab Sound Dust, and right now the A1000 is in Class A, and it's in direct, bypassing all tone controls. Balance is turned to the right for the P45, and I've selected mono. What I'm going to do is hit stop, turn on my good mic, and give you a couple sound samples. And what I'll do is I'll go balance left and right between the P45 and the ADS. All right.
doctor is the bewitching thing. You tread on a leash, you had never noticed.
Okay. ADS sounds pretty good, doesn't it? P45 sounds good, except, like I noted last time, it's just that tweeter is it's very soft. Very soft. ADS, very bright. I definitely prefer the ADS tweeter. Now, there's one wild card here. I fixed that tweeter. We don't know what the other tweeter sounds like. The other tweeter was not broken. So there's a chance that the fact that tweeter, the magnet fell off, the fact that I fixed it, maybe it's defective and not sounding up to snuff. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do before I go through the trouble of fully restoring the other one is switch tweeters. Take that one out and put it in this one and see if they're the same. Because if this tweeter is defective and I can't get a replacement, there's no need to go through the effort of fully restoring the other one. What do you guys think? Give me your opinions, particularly the gent that I'm giving this to. Let me know. I'm going to post this video. Let me know if I should go switch tweeters and see if it's an improvement. Right now I'm not satisfied with that tweeter. I'm just not. Everything else, it's well balanced. Everything else, the bass, the mid-range, it's all good on that one, on the P45. That tweeter is just too dark. And because of the darkness, I just don't consider that hi-fi. I just can't. Go back and listen for yourself. It's clear as day. Let me know what you think. Should I switch tweeters? Not going to do it today. Give me your opinion. Stereo Police.